so I just wanted to have some fun. Let me just wait 1 second. Okay, I think. Give me one. What are y'all doing today? Okay. Hey everyone. Both of got you both streaming live here. So, are y'all doing something fun this weekend? Tell me. If you hop on here, comment below and tell me what you're going to get into. Are you doing something safe? Are you doing something with the family? Are you going to go watch fireworks? Are you going to be outside? Are you just going to cook at home? What's your favorite thing to cook on the grill? I think I might have. I haven't really decided. I love to cook, so I haven't really decided what I'm going to have yet. So comment below and give me some ideas. Of course, I'll probably throw some essential oils in there somewhere. So, and tell me what type of cocktails you like. Are you going to be having a cocktail? Or are you just going to drink some water and throw some citrus oils in there? So, today I just wanted to go over, I just put together a blend because bugs absolutely love me. So I just put together a blend to help deter the bugs from eating me alive. Now, I absolutely love our Terra Shield. But sometimes I just like to, the aromatherapist in me, sometimes I just like to change it up a little bit. So I'm going to share that blend. So simply you can get the Terra Shield and just spray it on all over. Now this has the fractionated coconut oil in it. So the reason why it has that in it is so that it will actually stick to your skin longer. So the bugs can stay away. But so how many out there just get really eaten up by bugs? I also have a video on how you make candles to keep that away. And when our diffuser gets back in stock, that's going to be absolutely fabulous because it's portable. You don't have to plug it in anywhere. So, and I'll go over some different blends for that. But tell me where you're watching from and tell me what you're getting into. Do you have a boat? Are you going out on the boat? Do you love to fish? Do you love to go down the river? Does your family have property on a river that you like to go? And if so, what do you all like to do? Do you like to go out by the bonfire? Roast some marshmallows? Do you like charcoal done or you just like a very lightly brown? But I just wanted to, so the fractionated coconut oil will help, back on track, will help it stick to your skin longer so you don't get eaten alive. But I just wanted to share my blend. So we actually have, this isn't going to take long at all. So we actually have these little bottles. This is a 1 ounce bottle. So I actually put together I did about a 5% ratio, but I did a 1 ounce, and then I also did a 2 ounce. So in case you all have a larger bottle, just let me know, and I will shoot you all the 2 ounce recipe. But and you can just change it up, play around a little bit. So today I just want to share with you, again, you can use the Terra Shield, but I just wanted to share with you this recipe. So this has citronella in it, which is great to keep the bugs away. So it has our citronella in it. And then it also has lemongrass, which is great to deter bugs as well. It's just a nice natural bug repellent. So it also has peppermint in it. So it's good to put some type of mint in there. So you could do spearmint as well. So we're going to put that in there, and cedarwood, natural repellent. And then we're actually going to put arborvitae. So it also depends on where you're at, on what bugs are more active. So we can also work, I can work with you and help you modify this a little bit. But we're going to use arborvitae too. So in West Virginia, arborvitae is very good to keep those bugs away. So simply, grab, this is a 1 ounce. So grab a 1 ounce container. And so what we're going to do a 10% ratio. So we're going to start with the citronella, and we're literally going to put 13 drops of the citronella in here. Okay, that's it. If you get an extra one, it's okay. So then let's go to the lemongrass. So we're going to do 5 drops of lemongrass. Okay, and we're going to do peppermint next. Again, you can use spearmint too. And we're going to do 9 drops of the peppermint. So I'm working with 5 different oils that I'm going to put in here. So then we're going to go to cedarwood, and we're going to put 14 drops of cedarwood. So tell me what your favorite oil is to as a natural repellent. $12, $13, $14. Okay, so there you go with the cedarwood. And the last one is arborvitae, and we're literally just going to put 4 drops of the arborvitae in here. So you're going to let off your own fireworks. Stay home safe. Okay, so then what you do is you got a couple of different options. You can just literally fill it up with fractionated coconut oil. I like to do a couple different things. So you can get witch hazel, which is really good. And our toner actually has some amazing oils in it, and it also has witch hazel in it. So it already has some natural skin repellent properties. So I like to just throw that in there. And then I like to put some of the fractionated coconut oil in there. Put a little bit more. So you can do like half and half of this. Let's see where I'm at. Oh, I've got plenty more. And then it's so important to label it so you know what you've done. So just to make it, because bugs absolutely love me, so just to make it a little bit stronger, I'm going to throw in some of our TerraShield on top of that. So I'm going to do about, and you don't have to do this, but I'm going to do about 10 drops. So what are y'all doing today? 5 more. Are you working? Okay, that's it. Okay, so literally we'll put a little bit more fractionated coconut oil just to make sure that it really sticks. So simply that's it. Super easy, super fun. And you can throw it in your purse, throw it in your back pocket, and you're ready to go. But it's so important to actually label it so you know what it is. So I'm just going to label this natural skin repellent. And then I'm actually going to put, don't want to get wet. I'm actually going to put the oils that I used on here. Okay? Because I don't want you guys to have tons of spray bottles around or roller bottles. Now, how many of you are all familiar with roller bottles and how to make them and how to use them? And not know what is actually in them. Okay, just labeling it really quick. And I like, you know, just because when I'm out and about and someone it always ends up that someone asks me about what is actually in my products. So I like to actually put how many drops of what. You know, because with today's technology, I mean, simply they can just take a picture of it and you have it. So that way you're fully prepared no matter where you're at. Okay. And I like to put the dilution ratio and then how many drops altogether that I actually did. Okay, and that literally is it. This is probably going to overlap a little bit. No, it's perfect. Okay, and then what I like to do, because I wrote this on here, is I like to just take tape and wrap it around it. So in case it gets wet, it's protected. Because if you're out on the beach, please, don't go to the beach. But just be safe, guys. If you're out on the river, wherever you choose to go, there'll most likely be water around. So simply it protects it. And there you have it. Super simple, super fun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're interested in anything like DIY products, or you want to learn something about essential oils, or you're interested in what I do, just sharing and building and making your own schedule. It's so amazing to make your own schedule. So just comment below, hit me up, and I will help guide you. So until next time, bye guys.